everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going back to school supply shopping. I start my senior year of college in 2 days. Today's Saturday, and these nails are just very outgrown, need to be redone. So I'm sitting outside of Lovely Nail Spa in Meridian, Idaho. This is my favorite place to get my nails done. If you live in Boise, definitely make the drive to Meridian. I think it's only like 20-ish minutes, so not bad, especially because it took me forever to find a good nail place that actually does my nails like the way I had it done in Texas growing up. Laura, my nail girl, and I have decided that my nail color is a mix of Funny Bunny and Bubble Bath. So if you guys are ever interested in trying that out, I'll show you guys what it looks like once I go in there. But it's a beautiful, natural, neutral color. And to be honest, ideally that would have been the color that I would have liked to have my fingernails when I got engaged. The blue just makes it funnier and better. And go Air Force. Air Force is blue anyways, so. I put on this little workout romper that I haven't worn in such a long time. It's adorable though and so comfy. I think I got it from Amazon maybe like 2 years ago. And then I just randomly found it in my closet and was like, wait, I kind of want to wear it today. Let's pop inside. After I get my nails done, I'm gonna go back home, pour myself some liquid IV in this big old cup, and then we are gonna go do our back to school shopping. Before I meet up with my friend Maya and we go on our little hot girl walk on the Greenbelt, I have to share with you guys my new favorite flavor. If you're a fan of strawberry kiwi, you are going to eat this up. This is the Liquid IV Energy Multiplier, and it's sugar-free. So you're not gonna get a sugar crash out. If anything, you're gonna get an electrolyte hydration overload, which is what we all need, especially since the new school year is starting. Sometimes we're forgetful that we actually need to be hydrated. And if you're 21 like me and you go out, let me tell you, this is my little pre-game secret: filling up a 16-ounce tumbler or glass full of water and then adding a packet of this. I should note, this is not just any energy drink. It's designed to give me energy while still making me feel like myself. It's got 100 milligrams of natural caffeine, so you're gonna have that elevated lift. But in my opinion, the best part is the 2-to-1 ratio of L-theanine to caffeine. So one thing that I hate whenever I take energy drinks or drink a lot of coffee is getting the crazy jitters. So that's why I kind of strayed away from energy drinks for a while. But this does not give me the jitters, which is why I love it, and I'm getting my electrolytes. Biggest game changer ever. I can't believe there's no sugar in this, so no sugar crash. I'm biased and love the strawberry kiwi flavor in any drink, so this was kind of a win for me. You guys have to try the Liquid IV Energy Multiplier sugar-free. Time to go catch up on the whole entire summer since I haven't seen my friend for the last 3 months, and we will get some movement in and some sunshine outside. Wait, that's scary, Caroline. What? About to fall? No, like, we spent a ridiculous amount of money. Mine is 11 sticky cheese. For the best coffee in my life. What is this called? Chagachino? Chagachino? Chagachino. I just got to Goodwill. I've got 3 bags full of stuff to donate, so we are going to go drop this off right now. Wait, do I need a binder? Probably not. We do everything on our computer, so here's that. Okay, these are my favorite pens. Premium gel roller ballpoint pens. So good. One thing about me, I am a sucker for any magnetic calendar. I fear I need this. Don't we try it, don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I just got out of Target, and I'll give you guys a haul when I get home. Seriously, coming back to my car and drinking my Liquid IV is like, it's like a reward. It tastes so good, and I know I'm getting all of the hydration that I need, which is needed while drinking. Alrighty, let's go home. I'm I'm so excited for this calendar that I just got. In my room, I used to have this dry erase board calendar, but then while I was in Texas, I think it like fell off the wall or something and low-key like had a weird crack in it. So I'm excited because I thought I wouldn't have another magnetic calendar. And this time I'll actually be able to put it on my fridge and see it visibly. Oh, I'm so excited. One marker is not enough. Also, it can't just be this color. We need some color in our life, you know? So you better believe I got some color for once. Then I got some coffee pods. This is the iced double espresso Starbucks blonde espresso roast. And I'm gonna try to make my ice shaken espresso here. I made a really good one when I was in Texas, but my parents had like the shaker thing, like the cocktail glass shaker thing. And I don't have that, but I do have mason jars with lids. So I think we're just gonna experiment and try that. I was thinking about maybe getting a spiral, but I think I might just wait until the first or second week of college and then see if my professors say that we need one. Now that I'm in my 4th year of college, I'm realizing that we just don't handwrite things anymore, even though I wish we did, because I'm very, very traditional in that sense. Like I would much rather take a test on a piece of paper than do the whole online thing, because I swear I do way worse online. And I feel like 5 pens is enough for the whole year. 2 more things. Here are those colorful dry erase board markers. I'm not gonna open these yet, but I will put them down. And then last but not least, I got super floss. So if you have permanent retainers or braces, I don't have braces obviously, but I have a permanent retainer that goes along the top of my teeth and then the bottom. And flossing is really, really hard because you can't just take a normal piece of floss and like put it through your teeth because it stops when it hits the retainer. This is great because it's like a thread that has a long piece of floss attached and you can stick it under your retainer, pull it up, and then like floss, if that makes sense. This is like a lifesaver, and it's always embarrassing whenever I go to the dentist and they're like, have you been flossing? And you know that you can't lie because your gums don't lie. So when my gums are bleeding when they floss it, I'm like, oh, I've kind of been slacking because I ran out of these things and I just get lazy and don't do it. So don't be that person. If your parents or you spend so much money on braces and dental care, take care of your teeth because you only get 1 set of teeth. We've got a lot of pictures on this fridge, so I feel like I need to condense some of this and take some down, or maybe I'll just move them all down here. Guys, look, this picture, my sister, my dad, and I all look like babies, except for my dad kind of looks the same. Like, I don't think he's aged a day, which is crazy. Three different magnets. We've got a daily plan one, there's a weekly plan, and then the actual month. So I don't think I need to put all 3, to be honest. I mean, maybe I could. Is that like extra of me? The month of, on this side. Ooh, strong magnetic stick, I like that. We'll do the weekly plan, and then we'll do daily plan. And then this is my market list. Shout out to my best friend Alana for getting me this for my birthday. I write on this when I go to the grocery store and I just love it. It's so fun to check things off. This here, and then I'm thinking maybe 2 pictures right here. Let's do, I love this one of Griffin and I. So I'll do this one here. And then I'll do one of Alana and I with a little strawberry. Wait, I think it looks so good. I need to know I'm not alone in this. Does anybody else just crave pickles sometimes? I don't have any of the thick ones. I think they're called the dill. No, not dill. Kosher? I don't know. You know what I'm talking. No, it's the spear. But I do have these ones, and sometimes this is literally my favorite snack. I just put them in a jar and then just eat them. I'm all showered and I decided that I'm gonna start a new TV show while I eat my dinner that I made. I'm gonna try the new TV show Sullivan's Crossing. I've heard that it's made by the same people that made Virgin River, and I like that show even though it's like kind of cheesy. Oh wait, the map that leads to you just got released too. I'm in the mood for not a movie. Yeah, so apparently, what's his face? Oh, Luke from Gilmore Girls is in Sullivan's Crossing. Saw him on the cover. He looks a little beat up in this one, but still love him. He's a great actor. So I'm gonna watch one episode and then I will circle back and let you guys know my thoughts. I just wrapped up episode 1. It's okay. I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10 right now. I definitely am not the biggest fan of the main girl character. I feel like her character is kind of hard to like right now. She's definitely not like Mel. There's only one Mel in Virgin River and she is very likable. I don't know, maybe Maggie, the character, will grow on me, but I'm not really feeling it right now with her. Sully acts the same as Luke in Gilmore Girls, that character. I forget who the blonde guy is, but he's always stud, amazing. This is kind of reminding me of that show Heart of Dixie. I used to be obsessed with that show. The doctor comes from like the East Coast, is very tough and kind of shelled, and then goes to like the middle of nowhere small town and has to kind of unlearn all that. So I'm gonna watch one more episode, see if I like it, and then I have to run to Walgreens because I printed out my Will You Be My Bridesmaid cards that I'm gonna be putting together in little gift baskets. All right, episode 2. Hello? What? No! I just picked up my pictures. I'm so excited to see them. Okay, let's see what these look like. Wait, they're so cute. So this is what they look like. And I'm gonna add them in the boxes. Oh, that's not one. And this is what they look like. How stinking precious is this? Guess how much the total was? $2 and like 50 cents, I think. But seriously, if you guys ever want to print out anything, like pictures for your room, invitations like this, anything like that, I would highly recommend either CVS or Walgreens. I got a chance to call Griff, which was really nice. He went fishing today and sent some really cute pictures. I'll insert them on the screen. I love that he loves nature and loves doing manly things. With that being said, I'm gonna go home and probably, what do I need to do? Tomorrow's Sunday, last day of freedom before I start senior year. So honestly, I'll probably just watch another episode of Sullivan's Crossing and then go to bed early because I have no reason to be up super late tonight. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I had so much fun and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Go stream Before the Autumn Approach on all music platforms if you haven't already, and go check out the music video too because you guys were a part of it, you filmed it, and I just pieced it together and made a music video out of it, and I love it. It's so special. Have a great rest of your day. I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao!
Predispose my soul to tides that ebb and flow. I'm the one the ocean chose to stay.